Today, I want to make a video about the bikes that Catherine and I are going to be riding at the TransRockies Gravel Royale. So both Catherine and I are riding the Specialized Verge. One of the things we both like about the Specialized Verge is the Future Shock. The TransRockies Gravel Royale, there are a few sections where having a little bit of suspension is quite nice. So the Future Shock is quite handy. The Diverge also comes with this seat post that provides a little bit of suspension as well. Just takes out some of the rough edges on some of the more challenging descents. The Diverge did come with carbon fiber rims, but Catherine and I opted a few years ago to get a second set of wheels, and we bought wheels that are 650B rims so we can get wider tires onto the frame. We're each running 47mm tires, and we're running them with about 30 psi. A few years ago, we also decided that we were going to upgrade our group set. So we went with the SRAM Red. We're running a 1052 cassette on the back. That 52 really gives you just a few extra gears for some of the tougher climbs on the TransRockies Gravel Royale. We also decided that we wanted to go with electronic shifting. On the longer days, it's nice just to have that easy feather touch shifting. It's just so much more enjoyable. For pedals, I've got the Shimano XTR. I've also got a Garmin 1030 Solar, and I've got all of the routes loaded onto the Garmin, so we shouldn't have any difficulty navigating the course. We are running a 1x, the Praxis. This came standard on the Diverge. And so that's what we will be riding at the Gravel Royale, the 2019 Specialized Diverge, with a few little upgrades.